Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to review another oil from Abdul Karim Al Fransi. So Maison Anthony Marmin. So I really forget his company name. He recently changed it. Anyhow, so the oil sample I have is Musk Tahara Yamini from Yemen. So Musk Tahara Yamini. So this is a sample. It is almost like 0.5 ml. So I'm going to open this and see how it actually feels now after 2 years. So first thing is that mostly these musks which has a name of Tahara means cleansing, or they have mostly clean smell. They are mostly white musks. I think they are like mostly chemicals, not the real musk, or maybe some alternative from some plant, but it says Musk Tahara Yamini. So I am going to apply it on, so you can see it is white, very dense white fluid. So this is let me see if it actually focuses. So here we have it. Anyhow, so I am going to apply it on a strip and see how it actually evolves. It's difficult sometimes to oops. So here we apply this on a strip. Yes, it is kind of damp, light florals with white musk. Yes, it is a bit powerful. It is very typical attars you mostly get in Muslim mosques, in masjid. It is sweet, it is kind of light floral with candy kind of sweetness, with white musk, which is kind of nice smell. But I wouldn't say that it smells very unique or it makes you very elegant or whatever. It is just kind of like maybe a normal mosque prayer, or a normal person attending a mosque or something. So I didn't like the sweetness in it because it has kind of candy kind of sweetness, which is scent or smell of a candy. So this is overall, I think it's a good option for if you are looking at your budget. It is a very budget friendly, a bit loud white musk attar, and they said Yemeni. I'm not sure, maybe Yemeni people like this kind of smell. Yes, it has sweet. There was some floral in the background. I'm not sure what it is, but it has sweetness, dampness, white musk, and typical attar which you usually find in mosques, people wearing that. For me, I didn't like it much. It is a bit overpowering for me, or maybe a bit heady or spiky in my head. So this is my review about Maison Marmin, Maison Anthony Marmin. Thank God I have memorized it. Abdul Karim Al Fransi, Musk Tahara Yamini. So I would rate it like 4 out of 10 for scent uniqueness or scent profile. And I think performance would be great. It would perform really good. 8 out of 10 for performance, because it is going to last very long. So from all these 3 or 4 I have tested right now, this is my least favorite. If you like these kind of smells or these kind of scents, I hope you should try a sample first, and don't try to buy 3 ml or 2.5 ml bottle. I will meet you in another video with new reviews from Abdul Karim Al Fransi, because people were asking me what do you think about Abdul Karim Al Fransi, and I had a whole bunch of samples, like 0.5 samples laying around in my drawer from past, I think 4-5 years, I'm not sure. So I thought that I should, investigate and tell you guys and share with you my opinion, how I feel about these attars and these different oils. We'll meet you in another video and we will be exploring more from Al Fransi. Till then, take care. Bye bye.